quest'Aula per l'attacco del presidente Donald Trump alla presidente del Consiglio Giorgia Meloni.
ट्रम्प सुन लो, हम अपोजिशन हैं, लेकिन अपनी वजीर आजम, अपने मुल्क और मुअज्जज पॉप के खिलाफ आपकी बदजुबानी हरगिज बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे।
Non accetteremo attacchi o minacce.
इटली की अपोजिशन लीडर ट्रम्प को खरी खरी सुना रही हैं। वो अकेली नहीं हैं। मुअज्जज पॉप लियो के खिलाफ ट्रम्प की बयानबाजी ने दुनिया भर में एक हंगामा खड़ा कर दिया है। पॉप लियो ने हालिया जंग में इंसानियत के हक में बयान दिया।
Of the church, my message, the message of the gospel, the message of the gospel. I do not look at my role as being politician. I don't want to get into a debate with him. I don't think that the message of the gospel is meant to be abused in the way that some people are doing. And I will continue to speak out about this against war, looking to promote peace, promoting dialogue and
ट्रम्प ने उनको तनकीद के निशाने पर रख लिया।
Leo said things that are wrong. He was very much against what I'm doing with regard to Iran, and you cannot have a nuclear Iran. Pope Leo would not be happy with the end result. You have hundreds of millions of people dead, and it's not going to happen. So I can't. I think he's very weak on crime and other things. So I'm not. I mean, he went public. I'm just responding to Pope Leo.
ट्रम्प ने इससे पहले अपनी जीसस क्राइस्ट के रूप में पोस्ट से एक तनाज़ा खड़ा किया।
A lot of conversation. There's a clash between President Trump and Pope Leo XIV. It escalated after the president shared an AI-generated image of himself depicted as a Jesus-like figure. The image sparked backlash and was later taken down. And as Shair Arias reports, local Catholics and faith leaders are all weighing in as this controversy grows.
और अब मुअज्जज पॉप के हक में जो भी बात कर रहा है, उसके खिलाफ ट्रम्प बयानबाजी करके एक नया महाज खोले हुए हैं।
I really think that the church and the
students at Villanova University are reacting to the recent controversy between President Trump and Pope Leo XIV.
Posted on Truth Social, quote, "Will someone please tell Pope Leo that Iran has killed at least 42,000 innocent, completely unarmed protesters in the last 2 months, and that for Iran to have a nuclear bomb is absolutely unacceptable." The president has been waging a war of words with the pontiff. Trump previously posted that the Pope was weak on crime and accused him of catering to the radical left. Pope Leo responded, saying that he had no fear of the Trump administration and would continue preaching the gospel.
तबसरे ये हो रहे हैं कि क्या शोबदाबाज अमरीकी सदर की ये एक सियासी हिकमत अमली है।
Regarding the conflict, Pope Leo has also urged President Trump to look for an off-ramp to the conflict in Iran.
I don't think he's doing a very good job. He likes crime, I guess. We don't like it. We don't like a pope that's going to say that it's okay to have a nuclear weapon. We don't want a pope that says crime is okay in our cities. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of Pope Leo. He's a very liberal person, and he's a man that doesn't believe in stopping crime.
Trump also said on Truth Social tonight that if he wasn't in the White House, Pope Leo wouldn't be in the Vatican. This is all in response to the Pope's rebuke of the war yesterday. He said that a, quote, delusion of omnipotence is driving the conflict. Pope Leo has also urged President Trump to look for an off-ramp to the conflict in Iran.
एक ऐसा बयान जो उल्टा ट्रम्प पर ही भारी पड़ गया। आप क्या सोचते हैं? कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा। Please watch this video on YouTube, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.